I chose a career in plumbing because I've always been someone who enjoys solving problems and kind of working more hands-on with things, and I just felt like plumbing was an opportunity where I'd be able to learn endlessly. So Holmesglen has supported my journey into the plumbing industry just by giving me a lot of opportunities to connect with other people in the industry, especially women and other non-binary people, and provided a lot of support through really good teaching and kind of just making me feel like I can, do this.
Yeah, I think Holmesglen has been fantastic in support for the students and apprentices. The teachers are always there for you. Any questions you have to ask, they always got the answer. They've been brilliant in their support for everyone pretty much.
It's very important to have support to help you feel more comfortable and being able to feel like you can actually do it and having the support so you can do it. The most enjoyable part is probably meeting new people, on the very first day, being nervous, but hanging out with people, meeting new people, learning new things, just having fun.
In a way, I feel like a pioneer as a part of the trade and kind of representing, a very small sector of it, and I feel like I can bring a lot more knowledge and diversity and just expertise just from my life experience as a mature age apprentice that maybe they haven't seen before.